To change the theme on your Xiaomi 17 Pro, all you have to do is go to settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and select personalization, and then scroll down and select themes. I should see a couple of themes. So all you have to do is scroll through and find the theme that you'd like to use. So let's say, for instance, this particular theme. You can simply tap on it, then give it a few seconds, and then you can see a preview of how it looks like. So once you're satisfied with the theme, all you have to do is simply download it, and then give it a few seconds for it to download that particular theme. Now once the theme has been downloaded, all you have to do is tap on apply, then give it a few seconds and the theme will be applied on your device. So once you go home, you can now see your new theme. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.